Hi there, this is Erin from TaroWorks, and today you're going to get a sneak peek of the new features that are coming out with TaroWorks 4.0. The major features of this release include a new location mapping module, the ability to print responses to survey questions on BeWo devices, the ability to view resources in addition to videos, such as PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, images, and audio, and full support for the translation workbench, or in other words, multi-language translation and reporting. The new location mapping module allows you to see records that have a geolocation associated with it on a map. This can be used to monitor where progress is happening in the field, assist you in observing regional trends in your data, and also gives you a visual representation of where you're making an impact. In TaroWorks 4.0, you will have a new Maps tab. After clicking on Maps, you can select a report for which you'd like to see the data displayed. The reports listed here are reports that were created with geolocation fields and stored in the TaroWorks Maps folder. All fields included in the report and any filters applied to the records will also be reflected in the map. When you click Load Map, the relevant data will be presented based on the geolocation for each record. You can zoom out or zoom in, and you can look at the details of each record by clicking on its marker on the map. If you'd like to see the record itself, you can also click Go to Record. Another feature included in the 4.0 release is the ability to print the responses to a survey. This is currently only available for a device made by BeWo Technologies, which comes equipped with an integrated receipt printer. This is powerful for a retail scenario, as well as leaving your interviewee with vital pieces of information from the time that they've spent with your field officer. When you have printing enabled in your instance, you will see this option available on each survey question. When checked, the responses will be printed to the receipt in order. We've also expanded the file types that you can use for a view resource task. These include Word documents, images, PDFs, spreadsheets, and audio. A full list of supported file extensions can be found on our customer support site. This feature will allow your field officers to access the artifacts they need to do their job without access to the internet. This may be a marketing document to help them explain their organization or program to interviewees, or a spreadsheet containing the latest price lists for your company's products or services. Let's take a look at some examples. On this device, we have a job with multiple tasks. Each task contains a different view resource type. The first is to view a PDF, which contains a field officer handbook. The next is an example of a spreadsheet, which contains an organization's price list. And finally, the last is an example of a Word document, which contains a sample script for the field officer. TaroWorks will use the native application appropriate to display the file type. Finally, the last major feature of this release is the full support of the translation workbench. Currently, you can gather data in the field in one language with TaroWorks and view the data in a different language in Salesforce by creating translations for these single and multi-select values in the translation workbench. Now, with 4.0, you can collect data with TaroWorks in multiple languages and view the data in Salesforce in multiple languages as well. This empowers a multicultural organization both in the field and for back-end analysis. Now you can collect data in French and English and allow your back-end users to analyze that data in Spanish or Hindi, for example. So that was a very brief overview of the major features that are available in TaroWorks 4.0. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our customer support site or shoot us an email at support@taroworks.org. If you're interested in an upgrade or using some of these features, also please feel free to reach out directly to your account manager. Thank you and have a great day.